Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street Close S&amp P 500 lifted by strong bid in AAPL and vaccine hopes. http ntvforex.com News ID D6BD494 4 minutes ago by Ross J. Berlin. The Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI climbed 321.54 points or 1.16%. The S&amp 500 added 42.29 points, or 1.27%. The Nasdaq Composite put on 203.11 points, or 1.87%. Wall Street offered a healthier performance to start the week, with there being NBSP signs of progress in developing a COVID-19 vaccine and a spurt of multi-billion-dollar deals lifted investor optimism. The news helped the benchmarks to come NBSP off of 2 straight weeks of losses following the sell-off in the heavyweight tech sector that has otherwise been the foundations for the record highs reached earlier this year. Today, all of the S&amp 500 sectors were higher, and tech heavyweight Apple Inc. AAPL gave the S&amp 500 its biggest boost. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 321.54 points or 1.16%, to 27,987.18, the S&amp 500 added 42.29 points, or 1.27%, to 3,383.26, and the Nasdaq Composite put on 203.11 points, or 1.87%, to 11,056.65. Later this week, investors will focus on the Federal Reserve's last policy meeting, which will be the first time since it updated its long-run goals for monetary policy and confirmed it is moving to an average 2% inflation target. However, we do not expect any hard policy changes to be announced this week, as the Fed works on the best way to implement strategy to achieve its inflation goal. It is likely that the FOMC statement will be upgraded to reflect the new strategy, forming the basis of a progression in forward guidance. The market continues to assess the FX impact of the Fed's updated strategy, which seems to have left the USD on the back foot throughout the trading day, analysts at ANZ Bank explained. NBSP S&amp 500 levels. NBSP overview today. Last price 3,389.25 today. Daily change 74.00 today. Daily change percent 2.23 today. Daily open 3,315.25. NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 3,431.98. Daily SMA 50 3,328.64. Daily SMA 100 3,170.92. Daily SMA 200 3,099.23. NBSP levels. Previous daily high 3,376.5. Previous daily low 3,310.25. Previous weekly high 3,444.25. Previous weekly low 3,310.25. Previous monthly high 3,522.75. Previous monthly low 3,264.25. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 3,335.56. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 3,351.19. Daily Pivot Point S1 3,291.5. Daily Pivot Point S2 3,267.75. Daily Pivot Point S3 3,225.25. Daily Pivot Point R1 3,357.75. Daily Pivot Point R2 3,400.25. Daily Pivot Point R3 3,424. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.